Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you something very interesting and important about Walmart and Flipkart deal in India. Walmart. It is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores and grocery stores from US. The company was founded by Sam Walton in 1962 and it was incorporated on October 31st, 1969. As on January 31st, 2021, Walmart has 11,443 stores and clubs in 26 countries in the world. Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce company headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka, India and registered in Singapore. The company initially focused on online book sales before expanding to various other product categories such as home essentials, grocery, fashion, etc. So it was founded by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. So Walmart has struck a deal with Flipkart in May 2018 and is buying 77% stake in it. There are various impact of this deal on the Indian economy. This can be explained by some positive and negative impact. Let me first state you about the positive impact of this particular deal. So, point number one, I can say that Walmart trusted the potential of Indian e-commerce sector. This deal will raise confidence on the Indian e-commerce market and thereby will attract more investors. Point number two, at present, Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in retail sector of India, though Flipkart is struggling. Flipkart is giving a good competition to Amazon. It's struggling with several bottlenecks such as drying up of investment, lack of infrastructure, etc. But Walmart Flipkart deal will be a boost to Flipkart and it will give a tough competition to Amazon. This deal will end the monopoly of Amazon in the Indian e-commerce industry. Also, more competition will lead to more benefit to customers in the struggle of attracting customer base. Then, one more advantage is about more investment will result in attracting best talent to e-commerce sector. Again, till recently, business model of Indian e-commerce companies are not sustainable. Walmart is very efficient in managing supply chains. Since 1980s, Walmart is buying product directly from the manufacturers. In the efficiency of supply chain is replicated in India, Indian e-commerce business will turn into more profitable one. Walmart has access to global supply chains. With this deal, employees of Flipkart are benefited because they have employer stock ownership plan. This will encourage employee ESOP culture. A significant percentage of fruits and vegetables spoiling due to inefficient logistics and warehouses. With more investment and modern technology, this problem will also be solved. At present, there are specific problems to deliver the products to rural areas, such as lack of warehouses, etc. This investment will help in overcoming this problem. Walmart is the world's largest retailer, so we can adopt the best practices. This result in knowledge transfer and thereby other benefits too. More jobs will be created, especially to semi-skilled workers in logistics, delivery, back office works, etc. Better supply chain strategy will result in benefits to trader and farmers too. Also, there is so much potential in Indian e-commerce sector that number of consumers will grow exponentially in the coming days. Walmart Flipkart deal will make retail e-commerce sector ready for the future demand. Now, let us see some negative impact of this deal. So, both Walmart and Amazon are US companies. This means no Indian e-commerce company is in the first two places. Britishers also came to India in the 16th century in the name of doing business with India, but eventually they ruled India. Taking lessons from that, we need to be more careful. No country can colonize India in the present time because of democracy and sovereignty have worldwide support. But we need to be careful to avoid digital colonizing. Again, big data of Indian customers such as buying history, personal details, search history, etc. can go in the hands of US company. This can be misused by vested interest. We already witnessed Facebook Cambridge Analytica incident recently. So we need to be careful. This deal is against to the spirit of Make in India program. Also, Walmart has its branches in several countries. It buys product mainly from China. If it does the same in India, it will be a loss to the Indian manufacturers and thereby to Indian economy. Developed countries like China, US, EU are not allowing foreign companies to dominate their digital economies. We need to observe these things too. So, this deal will result in lower prices, which will be a threat to physical retail stores too. So, we have seen both the positive and the negative impact, but let me conclude the overall deal. Both Flipkart and Walmart will be benefited by this deal. More investment will help Indian economy and e-commerce sector. But to prevent exploitation, bringing the best national e-commerce policy is a must. So, bye-bye.